perfect finish. Error-free machining. The smallest footprint for an Edgebander with its features. This is the 5th generation Badger 3600. With a high feed speed of 40 feet per minute, it produces high-volume edge banding for materials of any length. Trim, cut, scrape, glue, clean, and buff, with precise repetition at the touch of a button. The Badger 3600 is flexible and works with veneer, tapes, PVC, or solid wood up to 3 mm thickness. To operate, simply select the operations you want to activate from the touchscreen and press Start. The Badger has independent high-frequency motors for each operation to give you the unique freedom to choose your desired level of automation and makes it easier to service. Its graphical touchscreen interface with workload history makes it easy for a single operator to use and ensures complete operating safety. Automatic pressurized lubrication and easy dust extraction also gives the Badger 3600 a longer life, so you can get that tight glue line and perfect finish fast and easy for decades to come. For more information on the Badger, contact us at 714-581-5999 or visit cncfactory.com.